Good day guys, in this video we'll be doing an activity based on pedigree diagrams. Number 1. The pedigree diagram below shows the inheritance of color blindness in a family. Color blindness is a sex-linked disorder and is caused by a recessive allele. The ability to see color normally is caused by a dominant allele. 1.1. What is the phenotype of parent 1? So we're going back to the diagram to see the phenotype of parent 1. The first thing we come across at parent 1 is a square. And we know that males are represented by a square, so we know that parent 1 is a male. And we can see that the square is unshaded. So the phenotype of parent 1 is normal male or male without color blindness. 1.2. What is the genotype of parent 2? To figure out the genotype of parent 2, we're going back to the diagram again. So we're going to take a look at the offspring to see whether parent 2 is a carrier of this disorder or not. And we can see that out of 6 offsprings, only 1 offspring is affected with this disorder. The offspring that is affected is a male offspring, and a male offspring inherits one X chromosome from the mother and a Y chromosome from the father. So this means that the offspring must have inherited an X chromosome with this disorder and a Y chromosome from the father, and we know that the Y chromosome has no allele that can mask off the effect of the recessive allele. So this basically means that the mother is normal but a carrier of this disorder. So the genotype of parent 2 is X capital letter D and X small letter d. Moving on to 1.3. How many of the male offspring of parent 1 and 2 were normal? Okay, so we're going back to the diagram. And we know that male offspring are represented by squares. So this means that while we're gonna figure out the number of normal male offsprings, we will not include the circles, as the circles represent females. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 males, but 1 is shaded. So this simply means that he has the disorder, he has color blindness. So therefore, parent 1 and 2 only have 3 normal male offsprings, meaning that they are without the disorder. Moving on to the last question. Explain how the affected male offspring inherited color blindness. Okay, so this is how it happened. The male offspring inherited one X chromosome with the disorder from the mother and then inherited one Y chromosome from the father. And we know that the Y chromosome has no allele that can mask off the effect of the recessive allele. The recessive allele is the one with the disorder. And guys, don't forget that these disorders are carried on the X chromosomes only.